Hello everybody, I'm Ben Queller, and I'm so excited because today in the mail I got a package from my friend Tim Fite, and I thought that we would do an unboxing because I've never done an unboxing video before. If you don't know Tim's music, he's an amazing artist, visual artist as well, and that's why I'm so excited to open this package because this is part of his latest project, I've Been Hacked. He did a Kickstarter, and Liz and I donated to that, and we got a cell phone, which I'm really excited to show you today and to see for the first time. So let's get a close up. That is the official Phoney. Typical Tim Fite wrap job, very Japanese in aesthetic. This Phoney product has been fully inspected, verified, and approved for digital surrogacy. Tim Fite. Wow, this is intense. This is better than opening an iPhone. Wow, it's got good weight to it. Holy shit. Alright, save yourself. The Phoney. Wow, man, that's nice. It feels like a bar of gold. Dope. He's known for these handguns. So, look at that, dude. That is sick. So it's made from some kind of glass and resin, epoxy. Oh, man. That is a great piece. So this is my Phoney, created by Tim Fite, an amazing artist.